Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make an infographic, and this is really for children because I want you to be able to create a presentation that's not like a Google Slides presentation for your class, or if you have something that you want to show to your teachers. This is for you. Teachers, this is for you. You can show this video to them of how to create an infographic. And we are going to be creating an infographic today through Google Slides. And basically an infographic is a chart, a diagram, or illustration, and it shows, it uses graphic elements to show information or to present information in a visually pleasing way. Okay? So I'm excited for you to learn, and if you like my video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I hope you learned something today. So let's go ahead and begin our infographic tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is type in Google Slides on your browser, and the first link pop up should be it. And click on Go to Google Slides. Then you want to press blank because you want to start a new presentation. Remember, we're creating this infographic through Google Slides. All right, I am going to X off the themes to make my page a little bigger. I'm going to take my face off of here so you can just see the full page. The first thing we want to do is take off these text boxes because we do not need them. And then I want to change the format because I want it to look more like an infographic and less like a Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to press File, scroll down to Page Setup, and then we're going to change it to Custom. We're going to customize it. I want to change the units to pixels, okay? In the box for pixels, I want to make it 288 by 425. And now I'm going to click Apply. Voila, there we have the Google Slides, the infographic structure right there. All right, from there I want to change my background. So I'm going to click on Background. And so I didn't tell you, but this Google Slides presentation, this infographic is on plant parts that I'm making. So I want to make the background green like a plant and click Done. Okay. I want to give it a border. So I go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. And I'm going to put in the magic words transparent. Border. Because I don't want the white around my border, that's why I put in the words transparent. And let's scroll down. You find the border that you like. And I want mine to be nice and colorful. So I'll choose this border and insert. Now, as soon as you do that, you have to resize it so that way it can fit like a border around the infographic. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Make it fit around the border, like a border. Okay, there you go. Now, the next thing we're going to do as I continue to resize this, the next thing I want to do is to put in my title. And my title I'll just put as plant parts. So I'm going to insert a text box right here. Click. And I'm going to put in plant parts. Or do you like parts of the plant? Let's do that. Parts of the plant. Okay. Of course, we have to resize it so it can fit. Move it up here so it can fit. Move it up here so it can fit. Parts of the plant. Let's change that. Parts of the plant. And I want to change my words to comic. I like comic. It looks fun. All right, parts of the plant. One of the parts of the plant is the flower. So I want to insert a picture of a flower. Insert image, search the web. I don't want it to be transparent because I actually want the full picture. So I am going to put flower. Oh, look at that beautiful rose. Let's do that one. Beautiful. All right, let's insert a picture of the rose and let's size it. I have 4 parts of the plant that I'm going to put on here today, so I want to make room for 4 different pictures. All right, I have my flower. Beautiful, beautiful rose. A little bit longer, let's do it halfway down. All right. The next part of the plant I want to insert is, you go to image, search the web, and I want to look up the stem because that is also a part of a plant. Oh, look, and it comes up science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So let me find a picture of a stem. Okay, I started with a real picture of a flower, so I want to find a real picture of a stem. There's one. Bam, like it. I love it. So let's do that. I want to find the real picture. And you can put whatever pictures you choose. If you choose to do cartoon or if you choose to do real pictures, that's totally up to you, what you prefer, okay? So I'm going to put in my picture of a stem. All right, let's put it next to this lovely flower here, okay? Now I also want to put in a picture of the leaf of a plant. Insert image, search the web. Let's do leaf. Let me be a little bit more specific. Leaf on a plant. Leaf on a stem. How about that? Bam! I love it. Leaf on a stem. Let's see which one of these I want to use as my leaf on a stem. I want to use this one. It's beautiful. Okay. Insert. And I think since I have a flower up here already, I am going to put this one in this corner to create a little bit of the difference there. Okay. You can insert anything into here. It's all up to you. You just insert the pictures, take them from the web. If you have pictures on your computer, you can also do that. All right. The last thing I want to put are the roots of a flower. So I'm going of a plant. So let's search the web for roots. Roots. There you go. Oh, these are lovely pictures of roots for parts of a plant. I think I'll just choose that first one. I'm scrolling to see if I see anything else. All right, I'm going to insert roots. Let's see if that will go in there. Lovely, lovely. And if you put transparent, you won't get, if you put transparent, you won't get all of that white in the background, but I choose to have that white in the background because I want the full picture right now, okay? Now, I want to go ahead and label this because on the infographic you should have some labels. So I'm going to insert a text box, insert text box, and I want to insert the word flower, and I want to move it over here towards my first picture of a flower. Let's move it over here. Yes, yes, move you up there. Move it up a little bit more. Move it up a little bit more. Okay. A little down, a little bit more. Up a little bit more. Flower. All right. It's kind of hard to see, so maybe I'll move it down. I think I'll move it down below because it's dark at the top of that picture. So I'll move it. Yes, I like that. Flower. All right. Roots. Let's insert another text box. So you see, you get the point. Once you put in all of your pictures, I do want to show you one other thing. You can label it the stem, you can label it the roots, you can label it however you like. You can move your pictures however you like around your infographic. I want to show you one more thing, and I want to insert like an arrow, because you see I have my 2 flower pictures on there, but I want to put transparent arrow because I don't want that white around my picture. I just want the arrow. And I'm going to use this one right here, insert, and we want to point to the leaves in particular, resize it on this plant right here. Yes, point to those leaves. There you go. And then I'm pointing to the leaves on there, and then underneath my arrow, I'm going to insert a text box, and then I'm going to put leaves or leaf, because that's part of my leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. All right, let's move it, move it, so it can be over here next to under the word leaf. There you go, leaf. You see the arrows pointing to the word leaf. Now your kids can present this infographic when they press present, and there you go. You'll see the entire thing, my parts of the plant. I would suggest this could be for grades 2nd, 3rd, maybe 4th grade, and they're just getting used to creating something. You can see this is a nice little chart that has the labels and the real pictures, and it shows that they understand the parts of a plant, and it's visually pleasing. So this is just another way with this virtual learning that they can show that they have learned information. And I hope you enjoyed my video for an infographic tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Look out for other instructional videos to help you in navigating this virtual online learning experience. Comment below what other kind of videos you want to see. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.